how significant you are in your eyes. A lot, right? You are the only most important person for yourself. But how significant are you in the eyes of the nature? Let's have some data. You are one of the 7 billion people of your species on this planet Earth. 1 of 7 billion. So it would be difficult for you to know how many zeros would be there. So 1 of 7 billion of the species, of your species on Earth. Now there are about 10 million different species. So your species, my species, is one of the 10 million different types of species on Earth. Now when we talk about planet Earth, Earth is one of the planet of the billions of planets on this galaxy. And this galaxy is just one of about 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. This is how small we are. This is how significant we are. And this is how significant we are. You still want to feel important? You still want to be really important? Well, that is how small we are. That is how small you are. That is how small I am.